Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are talking about how to embed your configurator into Shopify. For that reason, you already need a configurator with the right checkout in it, which is another video. But right now, I just want to guide you through the whole process of embedding it into Shopify. Let's go.
Now, to follow this tutorial, you need to have two things ready. First, of course, you need to have a Shopify partner account with at least one Shopify shop in it. And second, you need to have a combination configurator that you want to embed into the shop. For this tutorial, we want to use a bike configurator that I want to show you right now. So you go into portal.combination.com and you log in with the login information that you got when you registered at combination.com. And here we have our bike configurator project with one published link already. And this is how the configurator looks. Okay, so this bike configurator we want to embed. The first thing that we need to get is we need to get the app. So we go over to apps.shopify.com and we search for the combination plugin. And here it is. And now all you have to do is click on install and follow the instructions through the checkout process. It's totally free of charge. Okay, now when you install that, you go to the partners website. This is shopify.com/partners. And here you log in with your Shopify account. And here in your partners site, you find all the stores that you already created. When you click on that store, you find the front end, and when you log in, the back end. So the front end looks like this. This is our actual store. And when I click login, I use all the credentials, and then I see the back end of my Shopify shop. So first you see all the products. Now you have to know that every product that the configurator puts into the cart first needs to be listed here. Of course, the configurator can change it, but the stock unit itself must be in there once. Right now it's this bike product. So you see everything accordingly. And that's already it. Next, we go to the apps. Here you find the app that we just installed, Combination 3D Configurator. And here you have the basic settings. Usually you don't have to change them, you can leave them as they are. And second, you list all the configurators that this app should work on. So let's create a new configurator for this app. So here you find all the information that the app needs to run the configurator. The first three fields are here to identify the right configurator out of the combination platform. So all you need is you need to get the configurator name, and you find it in the combination platform in the area embedding. If you scroll down, here's the configurator name. Just copy it to the clipboard and paste it. Same thing with the company. You find it right here, copy it to the clipboard and paste it. And the third is the hash secret. The hash secret, however, you'll find on another place. For that, you go to drafts and you open up the draft. And in that draft, you identify the checkout component, which is this one. And here you have the Shopify checkout. Here are several properties that are necessary for the system to gather all the information that's needed for the configurator to put the right product into the cart. For this, there's an extra tutorial called the checkout component, and I refer you to that. But for right now, we just want to get the hash secret. So you just copy the hash secret to the clipboard and you paste it. Next, there's a status that you can activate the configurator right away in the details page, or on the other side, if you inactivate it, the user has to click it first. So we want to have it activated immediately. Give it a priority 1. And we want to hide the add to cart button because the configurator already has the add to cart button. If you're using a 3D viewer, then you need this add to cart button. There's a button when you want to launch the configurator, then you can customize this button, but you don't have to. And the last thing that you need is you need to tell the system which product the configurator can put into the cart. So if the configurator picks out of many different products, then you have to tell the system first which product this could be. Right now, it's just the bike product. And that's already it. So by doing that, Shopify and the combination configurator are linked now. Next, we want to have it in our sales channel. So I go to the sales channel. I just have one online store. If you have more, then pick the one you want to have. And here you see the themes that I can pick. I already have one, but for demo reason, I show you how you can get any theme that you like. Here you are at the official themes site of Shopify. And here you can pick any theme. I just take this one now. And there are many themes in here. Because of the fact that these themes are not done by combination, this is from the community, we of course try to support them, but we cannot guarantee that they all work. So you have to try them. Then I try this theme, and now it's downloaded and added to my sales channel. So now you find this theme, and I can customize it. So I can remove this banner, for instance, if I like. Here I see my feature collection. And the first thing that I have to do is I have to activate the app. I go here and I activate this app. Then I can go back to the layout and I can add the app. So here I have my app, I click it, and it's here already. I move it on top because I want to have it before my feature collection list. And here I can have all the settings that I need. First, I want it in 100% width, so make it like this. Now I once again have to add the configurator name, the configurator company, and the hash secret to it. Do you already know how it works? You go over to the embedding section of my configurator and copy the configurator name to the clipboard, add it. The same for the company. Copy it to the clipboard, add it, and the hash secret. And you remember it was here in drafts. I enter the Shopify embedding. And here in the checkout component, I find the hash secret. Copy it. And here we are. And as soon as I did that, the configurator is loaded. I could change the height if I like, to make it 700. And here I have it. When I'm fine with it, I can save it. And exit the layout designer. The next thing is I can publish this theme. And go. Now this new theme is published, and now let's see how it looks. For this, we go to our storefront right here and refresh the page. And now you see that the configurator already is up and running, and the feature product are below them. Okay, we are almost through. There's just one additional hint that I want to give you, because Shopify has a certain behavior. Every time when a user configures a product, puts it into the cart, and then he does not proceed through the checkout process, so he abandons it, then Shopify has this behavior that this product then is listed in a product list like this to all the other users. This could be handy in some certain environments, but when you use a configurator, especially a personalizing configurator, you don't want this behavior. So you should suppress that, and you do it by going to the product, and every product is part of a collection. So you go to collections, and here when you have all the products, you give it the condition that the product type of the product that you want to list is not equal to a combination configurator surcharge product. And make sure that all the products that you have are parts of this all products category. And you see that here, if you go to a product, and right here, you see that this product is part of this category. So when you do a list and you show all the products, then you are sure that there are just products that you want them to see and not products that somebody else already modified. Yes, and that's already it. I wish you a lot of fun playing around with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.